Si Master Taps, ito, 60 years old. Ilang taon? 60 years old. Si Drop, 30. Sabi niya sa amin, kaya yan, 250 volts. Ipakita natin. I-focus mo yung camera, 250 volts.
Yeah!
Para ma-satisfied ang customer ang entrance na 300 pesos. Okay, 250 volts. Combine, DJs at that 3 km. Okay? The Team Sugar family with 200 volts. 150 with original music with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Say something. I got one question. What you do with that big fat butt? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.